Okay, so here, having done some LP recordings, I'm just going to demonstrate the most decent way of tagging them. So let's just have a look. Now what you do is you select it. So you're going to TagEdit. I've already done a bit of it, but you pick one track and then you tag it really well. So you got, just to show you, track 1 scene, that, put the orchestra in, the album is Orpheus in Ulysses. Okay, of course the maestro, the composer. Not sure when this was done, but probably let's just say 1980, right, for example, and that. Okay, so now here is your auxiliary recording. So haven't finished it, you pick the first one and you edit it really well, and of course you make sure the artist and the album, the composer and the genre are accurate. Then you pick the artwork, or let's just leave the artwork just for a second. So you pick that and then you save it, press OK, and then you get saved. So you got it right at the bottom here. Right now what we're going to do is we're going to convert that, because that's in WAV, or WAV rather, WAV. So you might want to convert it to something of a decent compression. So what you do is you select it, then you press RIP. Okay, and you choose FLAC, and then it will show you the metadata again. And if you're happy with it, you just press OK, and then it disappears to your music database, which means it's gone off to this section. Okay, now once it's added to that section, you've got the data saved on your system. So next time you do the second lot, it becomes a lot easier. So let's pick the next track, which is this one, of the auxiliary recording. So it can be your LPs and whatever it is. So we've done the first one really well. We're going to do the second one. So what we do is we press menu, then we're going to TagEdit. Okay, now we've got some info there. There's a second scene, for example. Info double check. So you press OK. We've got the information here because it's saved and it's moved across. You've got it among your artist help, which of course you can see the top title. Okay, so everything's going to stay consistent, and you're not going to have any duplicates, and everything's going to be really well structured. Pardon me. Okay, so your artist is fine. The album, you pick the same album, which of course is just search for that with a G, or the G right there. Okay, and we pick the composer and G. Look, yeah, can't remember. I think I think we said. Okay. I can't remember. I'll check. And course we had an O for that. There. I can't remember the year. So what did we say? 2014? Alright, leave that for now. Press OK, and then the metadata gets saved. So we move on to the third one, TagEdit. I don't know what this call this. Just call this scene 3. It's just info. I've got everything there. Ooh, I've got duplicates, but I think I didn't structure it well. But anyway, let's pick the first one. Yeah, I think there's spelling, but this is accurate. You can sort them out later. You press that. There you go. Can't remember that. Okay. Save. No, pardon me. Save. Okay. So this is how you keep everything well structured, because you don't want any mistakes. Now this is the accurate one. I might need to delete the other one later. And then of course you jump to there. And save. Haven't saved it all, you convert it. So you don't have to, but it just helps because it's already analog to digital. So you select it, choose a format, OK it disappears. You press RIP, choose the format, press OK, and it goes. Press RIP, choose format, OK, and it's gone. So all your auxiliary are well sorted. Now you want to find it, so how do we search? So let's go there. Actually, we're going to sort the artist chronologically as well. So here's the artist alphabetically. So ascending, descending, chronologically. So we're going to jump right down to the very last artist that we've added to the collection, and then that will enable us to find the last album we just did. And if there are any, well, actually that might not, sort by album instead, because the artist, many artists can have many albums, it might not be accurate. So let's try album. Chronologically, jump to the very last thing I did, which is right at the bottom, without the artwork, which is of course that one. Now, as we can see, scene 3 is missing. So let's add that. Where will that be? Okay, so you got the album here. Now we find the rest of it, because we haven't tagged it well. So let's find it, because I know what you do is you can just rename just to copy the information. So you just copy, save, and then find the album which is there, because there's a spelling error. That's really important. So you just rename it to the correct one, which I copied onto the clipboard. Save, and it moves it all at the bottom, all to the right section. As you can see, you get all the scenes here. You've got all your albums here, well tagged. And now we're going to add the artwork. We select the album, press TagEdit, or menu, cover art. Let's choose Digital 7. We could choose it. Let's choose a very dramatic one, I suppose. Let's choose it. It's just the cover art, but anyway, that works. Let's choose that, even if it's not the correct information. But here's the correct opera, so let's choose that just to demonstrate. Okay, that's done, and let's play. There. So this is a good way to digitize a collection and make sure it's well cut, well structured, so no duplicates. And it's all clean. I hope this helps. Thank you.